As the rush for mobility progresses, a growing number of service providers acknowledge the leading role of mobile applications compared to desktop applications. So when people reach out to software vendors with a request to design and develop a custom mobile-based app, they often have little to no idea on how to choose the right agency or technology partner. Hello everyone, I am Ritesh Osta from Innofide, and today we are going to talk about 7 questions to ask before hiring an app development company. Once you have decided on your app idea, it's time to decide the right development company to build your app. And trust me, my friend, this can make or break your startup. So here are the 7 questions you should ask your app development partner. Question number 1. Ask your app developers, can I see the apps that you have already built? We all know that technical expertise is one of the important things to consider. But you do need to remember that there are no substitute for actual experience and results that come while running the development process. The app development company should be happy to show you the apps that they have developed in the past. Essentially, their portfolio is one of the best ways to tell if you can get a good return on investment. You must understand, if the team of app developers cannot show you a portfolio of good results, then it is not a reliable company to hire. It is therefore recommended that you check reviews and ratings of their past app and see if it is wise to develop apps with them. Question number 2. Ask your app development partner, can I talk to your past clients? Now, this is an extremely crucial question to ask, but it helps to get the more impartial and independent look on how well the agency can perform. Also, while talking to the past clients, you will gain an insight into how the agency handled the relationship throughout the development process. If you can talk to the clients, their feedback will be more relevant. You can start by asking past clients if the app development company was able to meet the deadlines, how they dealt with the pressure of deadlines, and how the team communicated throughout the project is very important. Question number 3. Ask your app developers whether they adopt a lean development process or not. You would like to know that the agency operates in critical hours. You should know how long that the agency took for the latest project, what steps app developers took to solve them successfully. These are the things that help you determine if you are going to work with a reliable agency or not. Since you must do business with someone who can follow a lean development process, since the developers tends to get things done more efficiently and have a better approach to minimum viable product. Question number 4. Ask how skilled are the app developers who are going to work for you. You must get an assurance that the app developers were able to build desirable features and functionality that you want in the app. So the basic skills of development teams are vital. The agency should tell you how they would implement the proposed feature or functions and mention the appropriate plugins or framework that would help. To know that you have hired the best app development company, ask for the individual developer details like their bio with professional details, a portfolio of previous work, past client references, documented link of off-site repositories like GitHub, social media profiles like LinkedIn, a list of awards and certifications, and even education credentials of the team is important. Question number 5. Ask what is the approach towards user experience and design. Do you know that there are more than 5 million unique apps in Android and iOS app stores? Well, let me tell you a secret. UX or user experience is one of the best ways to stand out in the crowd. Since without a great design and UI UX, the app will suffer from the lack of usability and ease. So we suggest that you hire app developers who will create an aesthetic app that is a joy to use. Question number 6. Ask if the app development company follows a good coding standards. What you need is to know an agency that is easy to rely upon if they enable an organized coding systems. They should allow app developers to work together on the same project using reusable libraries, components and necessary tools for various code maintainability. It is important to know that if the agency uses the right standards and coding for development. For example, it is now common for app development companies to use Bootstrap as standard coding practice, and most uses HTML, CSS and JS front-end frameworks. Question number 7. And last but not the least, will they maintain and provide a technical support for your app solution post-launch? Finally, it is important to know the kind of after-delivery support your company can provide. Simply developing the app does not end your work. The project rolls on, such as releasing new updates, fixing bugs, and adding new features and functionality. Just like any physical product, your app needs constant maintenance and support. So ask if the company provides support and maintenance programs, no matter whether it is an hourly rate or a monthly fees. So what's your take, my friend? If you're trying to build an app, it's important to have an app vision. Since when it comes to app development, there is so much to consider. It is not just the project budget or development cost that settles everything. Check if the app development company matches with the kind of technical expertise required to build the app that you want. My friend, remember, being average is a recipe for failure. You must got to add that secret sauce to be more successful. So here's the summary of 7 questions to ask before hiring an app development company. Also, please share this video with any of your friends or colleagues who are looking for the right agency or app development company to develop their mobile application. This video might help them succeed faster. Also, if you have any other questions that you would like to ask before deciding on your technology partner, I want to know about it. So please share your ideas with me and with our audience in the comment section. Let us know if you have found your right agency and what has worked for you. If you are an entrepreneur, startup, business person or somebody associated with tech industry, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We discuss a lot about the problems startups and entrepreneurs face and what are the best ways to deal with them. Please do like and share this video and spread the message. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.